Hi everyone, welcome to today's session. Today's question is, the probability of a random variable x is given by p of x is equal to r, which is equal to ncr into p raised to r into q raised to n minus r, where r ranges from 0, 1 to etc. up to n. Condition is given p plus q is equal to 1 and p is greater than 0. What is the coefficient of skewness of the random variable x? So from the given options, we need to find out the coefficient of skewness. So it is the given probability mass function is very similar what we have studied already in the previous sections. We know that if a random variable x follows, x is said to follow binomial distribution. A random variable x is said to follow binomial distribution with the parameters n and p. Parameters n and p, and x also assumes only non-negative values, and the random variable x assumes only non-negative values. Then the probability mass function can be written as probability of x is equal to ncx into p raised to x into q raised to n minus x, where x ranges from 0, 1 to etc. up to n, and p is greater than 0, and one more condition is there, p plus q is equal to 1. So this is the probability mass function of a binomial distribution with the parameters n and p. So when we compare the probability mass function in the question with the binomial probability mass function, we know that these are similar. So we can say that the probability mass function which is given in the question, that is the random variable x, which follows binomial distribution with the parameters n and p. Here, instead of small x, it is denoted as r. So r is nothing but the number of successes. That is, x is nothing but the number of successes. So we can say that here, since the value of r is non-negative and it is discrete, that is, it ranges from 0, 1 to, it takes only discrete values. So we can say that it follows a binomial distribution. So we know that for a binomial distribution, the coefficient of skewness beta 1 is equal to 1 minus 2p divided by square root of npq. So in the same question, we need to find, since the random variable x follows binomial distribution, the coefficient of skewness will be 1 minus 2p divided by square root of npq. So the right answer is option B. Okay, bye.